What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Dogecoin today. Look at that shit, man. Look at that shit. You got a higher high for your first time Dogecoin since April of this past year. The last time you had a higher high, it did not promote anything but disappointment. You were a decent bit above your purple line. You even found support on it afterwards and just continued to bleed afterwards. How did you end that move? With no bearish divergence, actually. We're here. I would say arguably you actually do have a much stronger move. You're holding those strong readings, but you do have bearish divergence. You have a high, a lower high, and a lower high while maintaining higher highs throughout. I would think that you're going to see some kind of a pullback. Nice volume building up. That definitely is nice, but you know, to be fair, this divergence isn't confirmed, though it does look pretty good from here. It isn't confirmed until we close this day red. We have about 18 hours left in the day, so look for that. I do think it closes red, but if today were to close green, I would think that you will negate this bearish divergence. If your volume continues as you're going higher, this could look really promising, you guys. This absolutely could look really promising. But Doge likes to mess with people. I'm not holding my breath too much. I still expect that even if it were to go higher, it will probably revert back to prices below where it's at even now. So definitely making me a little bit more skeptical on the idea if we're actually going to go below this low. I would think that we do. I definitely would think that we do go below this low, but we might not, man. We really might not. I might have to move my buy orders up, and that's okay, because an 8-cent Doge, a 10-cent Doge, a 20-cent Doge is still low price. Yeah, I think this thing's going to be worth multiple dollars by the end of the cycle, man. So I don't really know if I have anything else I want to say. I just wanted to give an update. Yeah, look at bearish divergence on the 4-hour, bearish divergence on the daily. You're in an area. The last time you were in this area on the weekly, you did find resistance. I don't know. We'll see. Time will tell. You know, if it continues to build from here, if we can get up to this from high to low, if we can at least get up to this like 1272 area, that would be interesting for sure. But let's see if we do that. Yeah, I don't know if I have anything else I want to say. I just wanted to point out, you know, it's probably not a good time to FOMO in. If you bought down here, good for you. If you bought down here, good for you. Even if you bought here, good for you. But buying up here is probably not a good idea. You do have lower highs after all in your RSI while having higher highs in your price. I would think that you see some kind of reversion back to this purple line, or at least back to something in the 7-cent area, probably about a whole cent below where you're at now, if not more. I do very much still believe that the possibility to go lower than this low is there. It's just a lot less likely now than it's been really throughout this whole range down. So we'll see. We will see. You know, what would make me think that this is a lot more likely to not be the low and that we are going to go lower than it? Well, if we had a week that closed below this line, that would really be the ticket. That would be the necessity. So if we close below 5.95 cents on any week, I would think that those prices below 4 cents, even possibly below 3 cents, are still possible. I know that crypto is relatively bullish right now, but Doge does play a patient game. It does not have to run with the rest of crypto, and it can save all of its energy for the end of the race, the end of the market, as it normally does. But who knows, man? It might be doing things differently this time. All in all, I love Doge. I think it's going to do great things in this market cycle, but you are postured down. You did relatively just kind of start posturing down on your weekly purple line. Maybe you're coming up to touch it as resistance, and then you go down. I don't know. You know, all in all, again, moving up from here doesn't completely get you out of the woodworks yet, though it would start to look a little more promising, but you could just be in this overall like area of accumulation. So I don't think it's necessarily go time one way or another, whether it's to the upside or the downside, you know. But I just wanted to make this video to do a quick little update, show that there is daily divergence and 4-hour bearish divergence as well. Is there 1 hour? Yes, there is 1 hour bearish divergence. Bearish divergence here, and then bearish convergence there. So yeah, anyways, that's all I got. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. I know it's a short one today, but that's all I got. So take care, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.